We have these two gentlemen actually here from Pittsburgh that just completed our 3-day Detail Czar certified detailer licensee training program. And what are your guys' names?
Ahmad.
You're Ahmad?
My name is Edris.
Idris. So what do you guys think of the business class on Friday? That was all business and marketing training. Because I know you guys aren't in business yet, but you're obviously looking for a building to do it. So what do you think of the business class?
It was awesome. We learned a lot of things, and because we were looking for a place, it's 2-3 months that we are looking, but right now we have a lot of knowledge and we know where we should go on looking for the business.
Excellent.
How to the
So did it help you?
marketing. It's really helped
with the
us.
marketing?
Now we understand that where we should go on looking for place.
Excellent.
It was awesome.
Did you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, we are so happy and we had a lot of experience. The first day, yesterday was second day, and today we had more experience. I appreciate you and the other trainers.
Well, thank you. Yeah, they did a great job, and so you guys.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What did you think of Saturday? That was the contact wash, the paint correction, polishing, and ceramic coating application on the paint and the wheels we did. What did you think of the training that day?
That day was awesome. We learned a lot of stuff about the products, which one we use it, because before that we know about that one shampoo they're using, but now it's different. You have many products to use in many spots.
What about the
wheels.
procedures and everything? How did the trainers do teaching you the different procedures?
They did really good, and they go step by step, and you understand from where you started and where to finish it. That was awesome. We learned a lot of things.
Excellent.
Thank you.
What about the interior day? What do you think of the interior
We have
day?
learned a lot of stuff. We have learned step by step from 0 to 100. So that's why we're happy.
You used the extractor today, the Tornador, and you also
Tornado, how to use it like this thing.
sure, and you also did coating on the
Coating
interior
on the
too.
interior,
Yeah.
and windshield.
Windshield, we coated the windshield. I mean, this Chevy Cruze came in hammered. It was hammered. And yeah, it was hammered. You guys probably increased the value by $3,000 or $4,000 on
Next
this.
week, the dealer we're gonna sell this on Wednesday, I think. It's put it on
sell
Monday
it in
and
2 days.
sell Wednesday. Sure, he gonna sell it.
Excellent. So
It
you
was
got
right.
brand new car.
brand new car. You guys did it. You guys made it happen. So I should talk to Kirk over at the dealership to give you guys a commission on that. So you guys are now Detail Czar certified, okay, and you're now a licensee of Detail Czar, which has a lot of benefits and it builds a lot of credibility in your marketplace. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you.